We learn a number of social cues from an early age. It's impolite to cough without covering our mouths. We say thank you when people give us things like money or cake, and when someone rears back and explodes in a violent expulsion of snot, we say, bless you. Why do we do this? What does a blessing have to do with sneezing? Did anyone ever believe a demon flew out of our noses as we honked one out? Recorded civilization hasn't done such a great job of tracking this peculiar ritual. Mentions of the bless you reaction date back to as early as 77 CE, though no explanation is usually given.